I require different customized visualization of LPR metadata related to my video. Until now, I was not able to find any solution for it. Milestone XProtect with FF Data Factory allows me to solve it fast and easy. FF Group provides the flexibility to request multiple unique workflows to meet my project needs. First, a couple of words about Data Factory and how it works. If I need to upload a custom logic I requested from FF Group, I have to go to the settings, click on Upload Logic, and choose the file I got from FF Group support. Then I have to add the logic, name it, assign to a user, and activate it. That's it. I have a new logic or dashboard in Data Factory. Milestone with FF Data Factory provides customized visualization of LPR metadata for any project type based on my request in just a couple of days.